Welcome to the best of US investors. Nvidia daily price range projections price review. Today is Monday, November 18th, and I am Trent Grinkmeyer, one of the partners in Best of US Investors. And today we are going to review the price movement of Nvidia. So let's get to it. First off, Nvidia closed down 1.29% with a opening of 139.50. It got as high as 141.55 and as low as 137.15, but closed out at 140.15. So it was in this sort of this tiny area, and it's forming basically indecision and oftentimes looked as a potential pivot. The aftermarket, it is up 100 to $140.52, which isn't a great deal, but its volume for the day was 221,299,000 and some change, compared to Friday's 250 million and 103,000 in volume. So less volume, pivot is what I'm seeing here. RSI did drop to 58.29. The MACD is negative, and the slow stochastic is moving from an overbought through headed south. So what is this telling us? Well, let's go look at the Nvidia price range projections and take a look at that. If you're not a subscriber as of right now to our free Nvidia price range service, you just go up here to bestofusinvestors.com, hit services, and you can then scroll down here to free Nvidia daily price ranges. Click on it. It's totally free of charge. You can cancel anytime. I'm not going to ask you to pay me a fee at some point for this service. Now, we did add, I'm excited about this, been talking about it for a while, the daily Mag 7 and indices price range projections. And that is $9.95 a month, along with you get a morning email breaking down the Mag 7s along with the Russell 2000, S&P 500, and the Qs and their price ranges and eyeball premium or discount indication, along with a Sunday newsletter that breaks down the four corners of investing that I look at. It's a weekly analysis of S&P 500, investment grade bonds, emerging markets, developed international indexes, and gives you a bull bear trend analysis of each index, which if you're trying to manage your own 401k, you can apply what knowledge you learn every week to your 401k to give you indications of, should I be bullish? Should it be bearish? How should I allocate? How should I properly manage my portfolio overall? It's a good read every Sunday, but this whole service is $9.95. But anyways, you sign up here for the free Nvidia one if that's what you're into. But if you want the more extended version of this, what we do here with the free Nvidia daily price projections, you just click on the silver, subscribe, you can cancel anytime. Anyhow, go up to free stuff once you've signed up, and you click the Nvidia daily price range. And today we had a price range, a low end of $128 and a high end of $148, pretty wide out. The eyeball premium dropped from Thursday at 49% down to 40%, which, if you look at it from this point of view, this is a contrary indicator. As that premium drops, it gets less and less people are hedging that position, meaning there are less and less people are buying puts. And so, for instance, back on the 11th, you had a eyeball premium of 32. It ramped up into 49 by the 14th. And then once we hit the 15th, which was actually options at expiration, if you're buying weekly options on Nvidia or any really index or any stock at this point, it dropped. So people are unwinding their put contracts on this. So there's less compression in the sense of the spring. So today we had a sell-off back down to that lower close versus Friday at 141.98, which it did bounce off its lows for the day, which tomorrow morning when you sign up for this, you're going to get an email around 7:45 Central, and I will have new updated numbers and ranges. What we'd like to see is to see tomorrow's projections on the low end to be higher than today's low end projections, and the same with the high end side of this. Okay, so we want to see higher lows and higher highs, which means we're pivoting back upward. So we want to see that right now. Nvidia's, if it continues on this downward trend, which is as of this morning before market open, it was at a below, the price was below the 15-day trend, which is 15 days is a trading period. 15 days or less is a trading period. Think of an institution, you're thinking out 15 days, roughly 3 weeks of the month. If you break that 63-day trend, then your intermediate trend, which is 63 days, is a quarter of the year. That means we're headed further downward. We don't want to see that. Overall, Nvidia, I think, is pivoting. Now, there is one big element to this you got to take into account. Thursday is 21st of November, and Nvidia reports earnings after the bell. If you go back and look quarterly year over year earnings for the last 3 quarters, their revenue has dropped as well as their earnings per share. I'm looking out a year, comparing the quarters per year. Most people compare quarter after quarter, so they'll compare third quarter to second quarter and second quarter, first quarter. I'm looking for a rate of change, a trend change. And we saw that from second quarter or first quarter to second quarter. And I'm curious to see what third quarter or second quarter to third quarter is year over year and the rate of change of that. If we see that accelerating, that is a sign that their revenues are slowing. We're going to look at earnings per share in the same light. You're looking for rate of change, and you're looking for significant changes in rate of change to anticipate or front run, as one of my favorite research firms says, front run the market. And that's why we use eyeball premium and discount. That's why we're looking for these ranges and these periods of time, as well as in the fundamental analysis, rates of change in revenue, rates of change in earnings per share, rates and change of hiring, rates and change of CapEx spending. We're looking for significant pivots or indications that Nvidia is going to go up or Nvidia is going to go down. Now, the new service, the Mag 7 and the indices price range daily projections is doing the same thing. We're applying those same principles to that as well. So, like I said, it was $9.95 a month. You can cancel anytime. I believe it's an incredible value and will teach you a ton. Plus, you get the Discord, plus, you get the Sunday newsletter, plus, you get Kerry's Friday call. And who knows, maybe I'll start doing a call midweek and we'll review those. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I would like to do it. If you think I should, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment below if you would like to see this kind of analysis breakdown once a week or once every 2 weeks on the Mag 7 and those three indices. I really appreciate you watching this. Hit the subscribe button and the like button. Go sign up for our free service at bestofusinvestors.com. Go to the service button, sign up for free. No sweat off your back. You're going to get educated. You're going to get information. Anyways, have a great day and peace be with you. And always, always live loud.